All right, class, good job on your quiz. I see that some of you got a couple questions wrong, and that's totally fine. I just wanted to go over that real quick. That the the color of grass is green. It's not blue. But that's totally fine. This is the pre-quiz, so we're going to be learning about colors today. So no worries. You all did great on the pre-quiz. The pre-quiz is just everyone gets credit just for doing it. We're now going to watch this video on colors. I'm not actually going to watch it with you in this video, but we will watch it um, in my actual class. All right. So now, class, the question is think of something that is your favorite color. Draw it and tell me what it is in your drawing. So, if you guys could just start drawing, that'd be great. And then I can look at your drawings and see. You can write down what it is you're drawing, and so I can know that you are drawing it the correct colors. This is just to make sure that we are remembering our colors. Go ahead. All right. Then if you could just submit those drawings so I can see them, that'd be awesome. Oh, good job. Is that grass, Josiah? Good. That looks awesome. Grass is green. All right. And it's all right if you're still drawing. Don't worry. But just remember to submit it as soon as you're done. Ooh, I like it. Mars. That's awesome. I think you're right on saying that Mars is red. All right. So this is an open-ended question. It just says, if you were a butterfly, what color would you be and why? So you can just write down your answer. There's no right or wrong answers. This is just your opinion, and I'm just curious to hear what it would be. Mine would be white because I love when I see white butterflies. You don't see a ton of just bright white in nature, and so I really like seeing those really pretty white butterflies. But again, there's no right or wrong answer. Just want to hear what you're thinking. All right. Good job, Josiah. You'd be a black and yellow butterfly because you want to be a monarch butterfly. Oh, and good job, Brad. You would be a yellow monarch with black specks. That's awesome. You guys should be best friends. I'll have to sit you guys next to each other. All right. For this assignment, this is actually really fun. I want you to look around. This is going to take you on a virtual field trip. Just look around, and I want you to see if you can spot every single color you can think of. So think of a color, think of the color red, see if you can find it. Then yellow, see if you can find it. Okay? So just do that for a couple more seconds. See if you can find all the colors. Awesome. Good job. And this is a poll. It's just, what is your favorite color? I tried to include all the colors, so I'm sorry if your favorite color is not on there. Perfect. So it's looking like we have some green and some black and some blue. Awesome. Again, there was no right or wrong answer for that one. That's just a good question to know. That is all of our questions for today. Great job in class. Thank you for participating in Nearpod. See you later.